Kahit normal naman, maganda pa rin. Nandito po kami sa Botanic Garden of Singapore. Hello guys, exercise.
Like he only turned 2,000.
Siyang kasama ko. Exercise for today.
Happy Labor Day! Oh, nakuha na.